everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be an Amazon haul. I love watching these videos because I'm just addicted to shopping on Amazon. They have everything and it's so much fun, so I decided to just kind of show you guys what I bought. So before we get started, you guys know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also go ahead and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and go ahead and follow me on social media. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I got with this haul, I actually also got my mirror and my little fridge, but you guys already saw that, so I don't really want to show you guys again. Just in case you haven't seen those videos, I'll link them down below. That's where I show you guys my vanity mirror and also my little skincare fridge. And anyways, so the next product that I got, which I've been using and it's a bit dusty, okay, it's this charging stand for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. Now, I really like this, especially when I am perhaps like doing my makeup. Why did I say that? Anyways, when I'm doing my makeup, I usually like, oh, sorry. I like to put my phone like that and just kind of watch a video, or you know, when it's charging all night, I sort of put it like this, and I really like it. Especially I like this for my Apple Watch because it just kind of wraps in here and charges. And if you guys own an Apple Watch, you can forget to charge that thing and it's a nightmare the next day. And obviously up here you put your AirPods. Now I will say I kind of messed up when I got this because I bought it on a whim. I bought it for the Apple Watch charging thing, and then I realized that I do want to upgrade to the AirPods Pro, and I would have to buy another one, which sucks. But it's okay because I'll just pass it down to my sister. I think she's not going to be upgrading her AirPods. So I think I'm going to have to repurchase that again, but just for it to fit the AirPods Pro. So yeah. Alright, next gadgety kind of thing is some bands for my Apple Watch. So I have the black Apple Watch band that my watch came with, so I decided to buy this kind of scrunchy looking one, and it also came with a scrunchie for my hair, and I usually wear it like this around the house, and I love my Apple Watch. I think the next video that I do is going to be all about my Apple Watch because I've been getting so much use out of it, especially now that I'm home. So I love this scrunchie. It's such good quality, and I always look at the reviews before I buy anything on Amazon, and this had good reviews. Not the greatest, but good reviews. But I actually really do recommend it, and it was only a few dollars. So I'll link everything down below so you guys can just have real quick access to everything. So yeah, I believe this was around $8, something like that. I also went ahead and got another band. As you can see, I'm really about like the neutrals and, you know, like nude colors, pink, black, gray, those types of shades. And I just really wanted a neutral band like this. This is supposed to be the color Pink Sand. It looks more beige. It looks more gray than pink, but I do really like it. If it's really good, it's obviously not the same quality as, you know, the Apple Watch, but this I believe was only like around 13 bucks, so it's great if you want to change the style of your watch often. And I really like to switch things up. I get bored really easily, so this is one that I got. Really like the color, and also I'm probably going to be getting other shades. I want like a really nice bright pink. I really like this color though. It's very neutral, very me. So yeah. Now we're gonna go into some nail things. Obviously we're at home, we're bored AF, and I've been trying everything for my nails. I believe I have a video from a few weeks ago that it's like the nail wrap stuff, and even though I still love those, I really wanted to give dip nails another try. So I went ahead and I got this 2-in-1 base top by the brand Lifu. I already own dip powder for my nails, so that's not something that I had to repurchase, but I did have to repurchase the base coat and the activator, and it just comes, like it says, 2-in-1. So you get the base coat, the top coat, and the activator, but it's just, you know, the base coat and the top coat come together basically. So you get this, and it's to get dip nails. And to be completely honest with you guys, I cannot believe I ever stopped doing dip nails. I'm kind of regretted. You know, I was trying to think why I stopped doing it, and I can't remember, because honestly it's so easy to do. It's very low maintenance. I find it extremely easy to do. I saw some reviews I'm sorry, that said that it was time consuming. For me, it's not. It's super easy, and my nails come looking really good every time, and I just really like it because it really allows for my nail to grow. So that is a great purchase. Again, I'll link it down below. I believe this was around $18, I want to say, but it's awesome. Totally recommend dip nails if you struggle to do your nails. I hate doing my nails, and I actually really enjoy the process of doing my nails now, so totally recommend that. More kind of fun items that I got is this Charisma Beauty Superstar glitter, and it's just a bunch of stars. I've been seeing a lot of videos where people put stars like around their eyes, and just really cute tutorials, and I really want to get more into like the artistic face of makeup, and so I thought this would be really cool to add. So it's just a bunch of stars, and they're so pretty. They're gold, and I believe they have some silver in there too. I don't know, I just thought they were great. I think this was around $8, and yeah, I don't know. I just felt like adding some stars to my makeup. I believe you can also use this for your nails, so that's also like a great little extra thing you can do. Again, with the more artistic stuff of makeup, I really wanted to get, I don't know if you guys have seen all those tutorials about like Euphoria makeup and stuff, and I really wanted to get some like crystals for my eyes. Again, you can also use this for your nails, and I got this kit that came with like just your original rhinestones color, and then it comes with another kind of fun ones with different colors. I believe this pack was $10, and it also comes with a little bonus, and you can actually, it's a dog, you can actually also like pick up the little gems if you're gonna do nails. So it came with a little bonus. So you can see I haven't opened it, but you guys know what this looks like. It's just one of those like little nail tools, I guess you can call it. So it just looks like that, and I've used this before because my sister's really into nails, and I sometimes put rhinestones on my nails, and I've used this little thing before. But like I said, the rhinestones, I want to use them on my eyes, not on my nails, so I'm probably not going to use this. Probably give it to my sister. Next up, you guys, I got some clips for my hair. I thought these were really cute. I think they were also around $7, but you get a lot of them, and they come, I believe, in gold and silver. I got the gold ones, and I don't know, I thought they were really cute. I wanted to like kind of try a new hairstyle, like maybe put pins around my hair. I don't know, you guys, I'm trying to think how I want to use them, but I thought they were really cute, and I thought they were really inexpensive, and yeah, this was kind of like an impulse purchase. I just kind of put it in my cart and was like, let me just buy them. And yeah, it comes with a lot though, so they're good. Next hair item that I got are these kind of dent-free clips, and I've seen them all over YouTube. They're all over Instagram. All these celebrities use them, and I thought these would be really fun. So you just kind of put them in your hair, and they, oops, I put it the wrong way. And they prevent your hair from creasing. So when you're doing your makeup, you can just kind of pin up your hair. And it's actually awesome. I've been using these a lot when I film, and I really like it. So really good purchase. Again, they were around $9, maybe 10, not sure. They have a ton. I just got the ones with like all different colors. I have like yellows, black, white, blue, and then we got pink. So yeah, this just comes with a lot of different colors. Next thing, that this is something that's not new for me. Even before quarantine, I was always buying this on Amazon, and it is jewelry, you guys. I think, a little secret, Amazon has one of the best jewelries. So if you are looking for affordable but really kind of good quality jewelry, please go to Amazon. They have the best stuff. So you guys asked in my piercing video where I got my second like hoops from Amazon, and I went ahead and bought myself some other hoops, and they look like these. This is very plain. The ones that I have on that video and that I have on right now, which I always have on my second piercing, those have cubic zirconia, I believe, and these ones do not. They're just super plain, and I like to wear these on the first hole, like on an everyday basis, and I can say these are amazing. The ones that I have on are amazing. They do not tarnish. I sleep with them. Sometimes I even shower with them, and they're completely fine. These were around $13, so I think for something that's this good of a quality, it's totally worth it. I know probably you can get the same earrings from like Forever 21, a little bit cheaper, but they will not last. Sorry you guys, that's work. Anyways, so I would definitely recommend jewelry from Amazon. Next item that I got comes in this little cute box. It actually came wrapped up as well, but I couldn't wait and I had to open it. So I got this kind of bar. I'm really into necklaces, very dainty type of necklaces, and so I ended up getting this one right here, and I freaking love it. It's like a bar, and it has my initial, and then in the back it also has my initial, but in cursive type letters. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I really like it. I think it looks super cute. I believe though this was around $14, but again, I just think Amazon has really good quality. I really like this brand from Amazon. I think I'm gonna link them down below. I don't know the name of it right like from the top of my head, but they have really good jewelry, so I definitely recommend their stuff. So what's next? All right, skincare thing. Went ahead and got myself these little spatulas for my face masks. They were around $3, comes with 2. Really love them because I don't know, you guys, I don't know about you guys, but I hate getting my face mask like all over my fingers, and then it's dripping, and then I have to wash my hands, and it's a whole ordeal. And with this, everything is just more simple, more clean. You just kind of take it in your spatula and put it on your skin, and it's awesome, and they're super easy to wash. So definitely recommend them, and again, really inexpensive. I mean, $3, not bad. Next product that I got, it's from this brand I Do Care. I've actually really been into this brand since my last skincare video where I got my fridge and I got like a bunch of new products. Those products I got from Ulta, but I saw that Amazon also had some, and so I went ahead and got this mask, which is the Space Kitten, and it's awesome because it's for like your T-zone, and it's supposed to kind of, it's a peel off mask, which I love. I'm all about a peel off mask, but this one you can it says it clarifies like all your impurities, blackheads, anything, and I needed it, so I went ahead and got it, and I believe it was like $3 cheaper than if I had gotten it from Ulta, which is really good. I mean, I love a good deal, so went ahead and picked that up. Next product that I got, I actually saw someone, but I can't remember who, put this on their Amazon haul, and I went and I like added to my cart because it looked awesome on her. I can't remember her name. If I remember her name, I'll put her on the description box below, but it's basically this just really oversized sweatshirt by Hanes. Yes, and this is a medium, and it's actually for a male, but I love male clothing. I think their sweatshirts are the best, and this I think was only $10. Might have been $8 or $10, but it was not more than $10. And it's so good, such good quality. I love just wearing it around the house. And for sure, you know, when, obviously not right now because it's like summer, but I can totally see myself actually wearing this out. And it's just really good quality, and it was really cheap, and I love the color. This is like one of my favorite colors. I love it. So yeah, definitely recommend this sweatshirt. If you are gonna buy anything, buy this sweatshirt right here. It's awesome. Last but definitely not least, I got myself some robes. You're probably asking, why would you get yourself some robes? And I don't walk around my house in a robe, okay? I don't like that. But why I got them, okay, so every time I film, especially like beauty videos, I'm always concerned that I'm gonna get my clothes like all makeup-y and like stained, and I'm gonna get foundation on them, and it's always a struggle. So I decided to, you know what, I'm just gonna get some robes, and every time I film I'll put a robe on, and that will just be, you know, if I'm doing like get ready with me, if I'm filming a tutorial, this is what I'll wear. And yeah, I don't know if you guys saw my last video about the powder before foundation. I wore a robe and it was awesome, and these were really good quality. They were around $10 each, I believe, and I got this really pretty kind of neutral beige one. It looks really yellow on camera, but it's not that yellow, or is it? I don't know. I really like it. It's really pretty. It's kind of a nude color. And then obviously I got a pink one, and I do want to get a few more. I think I want to get a black one, and then I also want to get like a really nice green, something like this, because I love this color. And yeah, I think they're really good quality, and I mean, for what I need them, like I said, it's just solely for filming, just to make things easier on me. So yeah, that is my Amazon haul. This is probably not going to be the last one, because I have been on Amazon literally every day. It's ridiculous. It's concerning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have your own recommendations, let me know down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.